got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, today's launch FY3 Friend Rocket Java launch. I haven't shot it yet, so we're gonna find out if it's even gonna function correctly. If it even shoot off on. I don't know if it's gonna shoot off on. Oh man. But hopefully. I think I'm gonna put it that way. This doesn't have a parachute, so it's either just gonna fall straight down or I don't need it. Where is it? There. I should probably see how it's gonna set first. How's it gonna set? Okay, so I don't know. Probably this way. The wind don't blow it out. Why is that over here? And then this out. This out. Alright. Do you want to watch Science tonight?
Sure.
What I'm gonna do is move this over here. So it's what it's supposed to do is shoot up, and then when it pops, instead of a parachute coming out, the blades are supposed to open out, and then it's supposed to propel her down.
We shall see.
So that'd be cool. I got my girlfriend as the camera woman. You can't see what you're recording on.
It's a little sunny out here.
Oh. Now I can go get some front back. You ready for the action? You want to be right there with the tracking. Or maybe if you're behind me over here so you can get me, because I'm on the ground. Basic control, 10 seconds to launch. Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, So you saw it pop open?
It was a little hard to see because I was looking in the sun.
It popped open and it did the spinning thing, but it came down too fast.
Oh, let's go look at the result.
The result.
The damage.
It's damaged. It's damaged. Ladies and gentlemen, the launch was successful, but the aftermath is disaster.
Yep. Game done.
But yeah, that was a 3D printed. The whole rocket was 3D printed on my Ender 3. Pretty nifty. But yeah, not repairable. It's pretty good. Alright. Now where are we going? No, where are we going?
Fish store?
Fish store. You getting more fish?
No, I want to look.
Are you gonna get fish?
I got a gift card. Well, eventually. It's still recording.